How to use your Temu coupon bundle. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use your Temu's coupon bundle. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Temu and make sure you're logged in into your account. Then you can hover over here, orders and accounts. And after you've done that, you can then see coupon codes right here. If you tap on it, you should be redirected to another page where you can see all of your unused coupons, including your coupon bundles. Here you can notice that I don't have any coupons available, but basically here you can see your coupons and the code right beside the coupons. The thing that we need is the coupon code. So you can copy the coupon code, and then what you can do is you can head over to your cart. So let's just head over to our Temu here, just browse to any product that we want to buy. You can directly head over to your cart if you have something on your cart as well. So tap on the cart option on the top right, and there we go. So right here, let me just explore Timu's pick and choose an option. But after choosing an option here, you will get an option right here to type in the coupon code. After you type in the coupon code, you will then be able to simply, and let me just add this there. So you'll just be able to get the discount. So let's check out right here. Tap on checkout. After you tap on checkout, there you will see your full name, all of your details that you need to put there. And after you go through the payment process, you will then be able to type in the coupon code and then you'll get the discounts. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.